My channel. My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist. This is a fun, exciting video because it's what? A Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. It's a Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video. I'm so excited. I hope you guys like these videos. I'm having fun doing these videos throughout the month of December and January. It's going to be exciting doing all these videos for you guys. Please don't forget to comment down there. And don't forget to click for more notifications up there. And don't forget to click down there to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. This is a fun video, you guys. I'm going to show you some things I want to show you for Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. I hope you're excited. I'm doing some DIYs. I'm doing some decor. It's going to be fun, exciting. So I hope you like this video. Let's get started. I love my fireplace. I got it at Dollar Tree for $5 last year, you guys. I don't know if they have it there again this year. I looked down the $5 aisle. I didn't see it there. Look at that. That looks like a real fire, doesn't it? Beautiful. I love it. So let's get started on this video. Hope you have fun watching my video. And thanks for watching. And let's get started. I saw these beautiful pom-poms. These are some little festive ones, right? Look how pretty these look. There's big ones, small ones, all different colors, red, pink, purple, white. It's not enough white, but that's okay. I don't think I see any blue, but that's all right. But we may use this for like this right here on that part, or we may not. We may use it as a hat or whatever, or we may not use it at all. But this is a beautiful jar to keep your pom-poms in. You can buy pom-poms at any store. I bought these pom-poms at Walmart, but you can buy them at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, anywhere, Michael's, you know, online. I just love it. So let's get started on the projects. What should we start with first? Should we do the snowman first, or try to do a gingerbread first? Or maybe we should just do a really cool tree. You know, I could do a white tree with blue trim. Oh, I don't got blue trim, do I? Well, I got blue trim right here. Yeah, we might do that, like a little tree like this. And then I think I'm going to start with the snowman first. Maybe do a couple of snowmans. And this is the old one I did before, like I said before. But we're going to start with the snowman. So I'll be right back. We're going to clear the table and we're going to have fun making our snowman. One white felt right here, and this is really cool, isn't it? So this is what I made about 5-6 years ago, and I love it. You can buy regular felt that has glitter already on it. I put glitter on this, probably didn't do it right, but that's all right. I think this was a cool project I did a while back. It looks cute and quaint. It got a little messy, a little dirty. It's white. White does that. But you can make snowmen out of any color. Like over here, the snowmen are blue. So I might do a different color snowman as well. But I love that. So this is really cool. This is what it looks like. I got to make the circles. Sometimes the circles are not done right. This is what took forever to do this one. Maybe a day or two because I couldn't get the circle right. But this is not for it's not for perfection. It's for just for fun. So let's get this snowman cut out. At least the pieces cut out today, and then we'll glue it all together. We'll have fun. Now I'm gonna use to trace the head, the middle, and the bottom. So I took the lid off of the pom-pom container. That's gonna be the bottom. This is a container that I bought at Michael's a long time ago. Snowflakes. This is gonna be the middle, and this is gonna be the head. So I got my Sharpie out, black Sharpie, and this is what it looks like when it's done. This is the old project like I showed you before. So let's get this started. Let's at least trace these out and cut them out and at least place them and glue them together, you know, something like that. Traced it already, so we're ready to put them together and cut them out. And tracing them, so I'm going to show you what they look like. All done. They look so cool, perfectly traced, perfectly done. But you can use pencil if you want to, if you don't want to use a marker or a Sharpie. So we're going to put these together. It's going to be fun. So let's cut these out and then show you what I'm going to do to make them pop. So let's put this stuff all away. Out, we cut out. We're making two of them, you guys. Two snowman, and then we'll make some gingerbread in a minute. So I got the pom-poms. I'm going to do one with pom-poms with googly eyes, and one with googly eyes, and one with gems. So we're going to do this, you guys. I got more pom-poms over here out, and I'm going to glue it together. We're going to have fun. So the glue I'm going to be using is right here, tacky glue. You can use whatever glue you want. You can use a glue gun, glue dots, E6000, whatever crafting glue you like using. You should use it to make it stick and make it want to not fall apart. So let's do this. Let's make some snowman. Do you want to build a snowman with me? I know you do. Glue it together. I cut them out a little bit better, you guys, so it won't look so like with all that marker. So let's glue them together and start putting the eyes and everything together. Just a little bit glue, you guys. Don't need too much. While I let these two snowman glue dry, I'm gonna do something else, you guys. I'm gonna do the gingerbread. I'm gonna trace this out. I could draw it up if I want to. I'm an artist. And I'm gonna trace it on this and make a couple of gingerbread as well. So I'll be right back when these are all done and these are all done. So yes, for fun crafts, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Glue's everywhere, you guys. I just knocked a bunch of glue everywhere. You guys are gonna really cool and trace it out. It's gonna be so much fun. All I gotta do is add a couple of embellishments and this will be cute. I got light brown, kind of like dark brown, but that's all right. But we're gonna make it wonderful. We're gonna trace it. I think I might use pencil this time. That marker was kind of harsh. It took forever to cut the marker out of it. So I'll be back, you guys. Tracing out this wonderful wooden gingerbread. So we're gonna make some cool things with this gingerbread. Look how pretty that looks, you guys. That's paint and everything on that one with glitter, but I don't think I'm putting glitter on this. I'm gonna just make it simple. Just put a couple pom-poms and a couple googly eyes and I think a bow, and then we're all done. That'll be so cool, right? Yes. These out. It took forever because I don't know what the scissors were doing something wrong, but I'm gonna get this better right there. I'm gonna cut that just a little bit better. I kind of like the outline of the black, kind of cool, but you can use pencil. I started using pencil and I said, nah, it's just like taking too long. The pencil kept skipping and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get my googly eyes or wiggly eyes out and I'm gonna glue those eyes on, let them dry overnight, and then I'll be back putting the other embellishments on, and then it'll be a fun project all done. This and my snowman, I'm letting the snowman dry because it kept not sticking for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm gonna let it sit overnight and we're gonna come back and we'll have this all done. Glue the eyes on. Too much glue, you guys. Too much glue. Getting dark in you guys. I got the pom-poms the way I want them. Red's in the middle of both of those, and it's just so cute. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow because it's getting dark in here. I don't want to have a video that's too dark. So, and look at the aftermath. I'm still putting glue and everything everywhere. So, yep. And then this is over here because I'm trying to make this stick down here because it keeps falling apart for some reason. I don't know why. But thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Again, I have all these pom-poms right here from Walmart. The cute little red jar is from Michael's. So cool. And then I got some stuff from Dollar Tree that I love. These jeweled border stickers. I used it in my projects for the last couple of weeks. I've had this for a long time, so I started using that. Same with my Michael's trim right here. Really pretty. I've had this for about 5 or 6 years. I got it out of a stash and started using that. And this is a recent find. I got this about 6, 7 months ago. These are some beautiful bejeweled rainbow gems that you can use, and they stick on things. You can use glue if you want. And then also, I also use in this project some tacky glue that I love. You can buy this glue at any store, crafting store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics. I got this at Dollar Tree, and you also can get at Walmart and Target and Ace Hardware, and also at other stores that sell glue. And you can use a glue gun if you would like. So let's move on to the things I want to show you. This little part right here. These are ones I made in the past. This is a gingerbread man made out of wood. Really cool, isn't it? Two-tone, pretty. I love it, the rainbow color. And I love how it looks. That's like about 5 or 6 years ago. And I did this about 5 or 6 years ago too with felt. And that's glitter I put on there. The beautiful rainbow butterflies as the buttons. Really pretty. And I love how I did this. And I love how I drew the face with the marker. And it was wonderful to draw. So let's talk about the ones I did this year. And I can't wait to show you all the things I did to make this one pop. Over here, before I show you everything and move the other way, these are all the felt colors I used. You can buy felt at Hobby Lobby. It's probably the Hobby Lobby and Michael's and Joann Fabrics and Walmart because the cheap place you can get it at. But I love it. These are the pretty colors I had. And I also used tan as well, but I used it all up for the beautiful gingerbread. So let's show you everything right here. It's wonderful. I'm going to keep it right here to show you. So this is the snowman I made with the felt. I love it. It looks really cool. And it was so awesome to make this. It's not the same as this one over here. As you can see, I just changed it up a little bit. Let's move that over a little bit. I changed it up a little bit. So I gave it arms when I didn't have arms. This one didn't have any arms. And I gave it pom-poms when this has beautiful rainbow butterflies. And I gave it a little face like that. And I made it so cute. And this has googly eyes and this one doesn't, but I love them both. They're both cool and unique in their own way. And then I made another one as well. This one's kind of cool as well. It has arms as well, and it does look really pretty. I love the beautiful jewels right there, the pink and yellow and that pretty red. And then I used some of that trim from over here, right here for the nose. And then I used a gem right here, that gem for the little hat. That was really cool, and I made it really pretty, and I love how these turned out. Great, right, guys? I love it. And then over here, I found out that I love gingerbread really, really much. I mean, a lot. So I got this gingerbread. I got the inspiration from right here, this beautiful wooden one. I made this a long time ago. So I thought to myself, let's do a wooden one. And then also do a one out of felt. So I got some felt right here. This is really pretty. I love the colors I picked out. The beautiful red pom-pom in the middle, this purple, blue, and this beautiful trim that I got. I didn't glue it down, but I could have glued it down, but it's really pretty. I love the eyes. And I also love this one. This is really cute. I love the green in the middle, and it has a really pretty purple and pink one, and it looks so cute. They're both different, and I love how they looked. So great, right? I love the project we did today, you guys. Hopefully you guys have fun, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video. This is such a fun project for you guys to do for a D's DIY or any time of the year. Did you enjoy it? If you did, thank you so much, my amazing craft artists. Give me a thumbs up for better videos and thumbs up for just getting better in general. Look at my fireplace. Look at that fireplace, you guys. $5 at Dollar Tree. I'm not even joking. That looks so real, so wonderful. I love this video. I love showing you crafting and DIYs and making your room pop for the season. I hope you enjoy these videos throughout the year, and I'm going to get better. I'm doing a video all about my channel changing a little bit to get better. Hope you guys like this so much. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click up there. No, up there and down there for more videos. I really appreciate it. Notifications. Click for notifications. And I really appreciate it very much. Hope you have fun, you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And keep crafting no matter what. Because I said so. And my fireplace says so. No, I'm only kidding, you guys. Look at that fireplace. Isn't it